morning, good afternoon, good evening, Lego fans. Hi, hi, hi. Welcome to Lego with Fonzie. We're back on the blacksmith build again. Oh, yes. So, back to the big Karamak coloured boards again. If you know what Karamak is, legend. If you don't, Google it carefully. But yeah, we're back. We're back with some more Lego blacksmiths. I'm excited to build some more of this. Quick thing before we really get into this. If you can hear the fan in the background, I do apologise. It is currently well over 30 degrees in the studio right now, and the fan needs to be on because I am literally roasting. It's smooth out warm. Anyway, without further ado, let's crack on with this, because I can't talk about what's sat over there. I can't do that yet. That needs more work. It's coming together. But that needs more work. But anyway, today we're going to build bag 6, which is going to be the next floor. Ding! Wheel this in for a moment. Basically, we're going to build the second floor, which literally goes on something like that. All right, kind of goes on like that, somewhat. That's what we're going to be building today, and I'm looking forward to it. It could go on something like that, actually. You know what? I'm honestly not sure, but we'll find out as we progress along. We will find out together. So leave that there. We'll slap that there. Let's build some Lego. That's enough chuntering on from me. Ooh, that's what we're making. That looks really cool. Post a picture what I'm looking at. So I've got the book off to one side next to the fan. So I'll post a picture up for you here somewhere, and you can have a look at that. So obviously, first tub. Ta-da! Yo! Nearly lost a piece. We nearly lost a piece. That wouldn't have been good. So pop that on like that, and then we pop the other one, the other end, like that. Hey, be nice if I could get some brown ones like that. Actually, I might see if I can get some brown ones like that. Giving away a little bit of information there, Matt. That one there, that goes there, that goes there, that goes there. Win. Yeah, it would work. I think. I don't know. I'll have to look at it again. Yeet. Right. I'd say, folks, welcome to the Autistic Mind, where my mind is currently thinking about 4, maybe 5 different things right now. So, pop that on there. Yeah. That goes there. And then we have 4. And then another 2. A 4. And then a big brown 3. Well, 3 pieces, but it sticks out way over the edge. And then you leave a 1 gap. Leave a 1 gap. 2 4s. 2. 4. And a doodly what's it? You want the masonry work pointing outwards. Leave a nice 4 gap, which is quite a decent size for a door. Cool. Next tub. Next, we're going to attach the boards. 3, 4, 5. Now we're going to attach the boards around the edge, like so. that. And then we'll put the little 3 on there. Small plate on there. Ah, okay. That has to go there, and that little brown one goes on there. So that's just a 1x1 plate or square stud, if you so wish to call it that. Two bluish grey 2x4s. Push that on like that. Take the board, put underneath. So get our 2 masonry pieces. I actually have quite a few masonry pieces now, for reasons which will become clear in the next few weeks. Take out again 1x1 pieces. Over the top like that. This one's got a few pieces in it. So what we'll do is I might fast forward putting this pile on because that's quite a few pieces. That was a bit of a challenge. Finally, a couple of errors there, but we got through that one without too much trouble. Right, next. Seems to be wherever there's a gap, you want to put these 1x2 pieces in. Hey. Right, we're 100 build steps in now. Let's see what we got next. Some of these pieces look really interesting. This one especially, it's like a flame, but it looks almost like a cockerel feather. Like the tail of a cockerel. That's cool. Right, so we need to put that like that. And then we get this funky piece. Take our little brown solid colour studs. I have got some translucent studs arrived today. They're for something else. Now that's not my project. I've got my own project. That is Sarah's little project she's working on. So hopefully we will get to see that on channel soon. So Sarah's got her own little project she's working on, which I think is cool. Yeah, enthusiastically said to her that she should pursue anything that she wishes to make or do. Pursue it. So she does. She's currently pursuing violin lessons. She wishes to learn how to play the violin. I bought her a violin and said, go for it. So she is. Be honest, just bring your attention to these a minute. I think this is great. I think that colour's good as well. Another barrel. Now we take our archway piece and our 1x2 and we push that in the gap we left there. That goes in there where we left that gap. And then we sneak a very cheeky 1x1 plate on the bottom. Like so. That's that page. The next few pieces are for the other page. So let's put together what basically to me looks like a beer barrel, which, let's be honest, it looks like an awesome idea for a beer barrel. That looks like an awesome idea for a beer barrel. I may have to use that in my upcoming idea. To utilize some of that, shall we say. So we put our angles on the brick. It's just your standard 2x4 block, as seen in sets from 1965 when that block first appeared. A little bit of Lego general knowledge figure there. That goes in there like that. So that's how you put it together. there, and that's really cool. I could use that actually for something I've currently got sat over there and working on. The bits are slowly coming together for that one. That's going to be a project. It's going to be a hell of a project. It's going to be a fun project. It's just going to be long, very long, but it's going to be worth it. It's going to be worth it. Now, I like the way they've done the table. I think that is really cool. Really cool. Again, something else I'm going to mimic in what I'm doing. We're now making an oldie-fashioned what's the term? What basically a washing machine. It used to be like a whirligig. It's what they used to be called. So what you did, you put the clothes into it, and then you mashed it up and down, and that's what the up and down motion basically what rubbed it in through the soapy water, and that's what washed your clothes. I think that's really cool. So there are a few ideas I will be borrowing from this to go on to what I'm planning. So that's the joys of Lego, isn't it? We learn together, we adapt, and we reuse. All right, last tub of bag 6. Yeah, I love these colours. I think these colours are fantastic. So you take your longer brown, put it on top of your shorter brown. Put it on top like that. And then we take our I wonder. No. It is correct. The angle of it's like that, that has to go on like that. Yes, because it leaves 2 at the end there. So that goes on like that. Yeah. So that then goes on like that. So if that goes on like that, there's no room for that piece to go on. I don't understand how that works. We'll put it on, and I will have to re-investigate that piece. Put that to one side. So after we're done recording, I'll investigate that piece and find out whereabouts that should actually, or possibly could attach to. But we will see. Anyway, thanks for watching. That has been bag 7. Yeah, if you like what we're doing here, please hit the subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up. Don't cost you out. It means a lot though, because it shows other people that the channel's here and they can have a watch. So yeah, remember, new content every Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday midday. 12 o'clock midday. We got new content arrives 3 times a week. 52 weeks of the year, basically. So without further ado, thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed yourselves this evening, and I will see you all next time. Again, I do apologise about the fan, but it is roasting in here at the moment. So, see you later. Good night, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. Whenever you're watching this, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you soon. Ta-da! Bye for now. This is looking really cool. Nah.
The fawns be with you.
And also with you.
Let us A.